We have our first hands-on video of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, courtesy of Jimmy Is Promo, and it reveals a lot of details about the device. I am Kano and this is Enkoretech. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future video. This video is sponsored by TechScore. If you want an amazing platform where you can shop your favorite gadgets and get amazing deals, cashback points and awesome prizes, then go online to tech-score.com. It's absolutely free to register. I'll put a link to their website in the description below. I'll also put a link to Jimmy's Promo's video in the description. The Note 20 Ultra is gonna ship with One UI 2.5 over Android 10 out of the box, so not Android 11, and it's gonna have a model number of SMN986. The alphabet that comes after the number shows what region the device was made for. So, onto the good stuff. The S Pen and the speaker have been moved from the right side on the Note 10 to the left side on the Note 20 series. I really don't know why they switched it. Maybe it's because the camera module takes a lot of space on the right side of the phone. Anyway, this is something hardcore Note fans are gonna have to get used to on the Note 20 series. The volume rockers and the power button have also been moved from the left side of the phone to the right, which is kind of confusing because last year Samsung took the power button from the right side to the left side on the Note 10, and now they're just gonna take both of them back to the right on the Note 20 series. But I think it's to compensate for the new position of the S Pen. Let me know what you guys think about the new position of the S Pen in the comment section below. The S Pen on the Note 20 is also the same size as the one on the Note 10, as Jimmy switched them in his video and they fit in perfectly. Now, that doesn't mean it's gonna be the exact same S Pen. The one on the Note 20 is gonna have a new pointer feature, and that's gonna allow it to work like an air mouse, similar to what we have on the Note 10. But this time, I think it's gonna allow you to interact with any part of the display, just like an actual mouse on a computer. But we're gonna have to wait till August 5th to find out if that's how it's actually gonna work, as Samsung has confirmed the launch date of the Galaxy Note 20 series, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 and the Galaxy Tab S7 series to be on the 5th of August in an online-only event. The Note 20 Ultra also has the same width as the Note 10 Plus, and it's also about the same thickness, but it's ever so slightly taller, and it packs a bigger 6.9 inches compared to 6.7 on the Note 10 Plus. But it has a bigger camera bump on the back, even bigger than the one on the S20 Ultra, but it looks better than the S20 Ultra. What do you guys think about the design of the Note 20? Let me know in the comment section below. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and if you want to get more tech related videos, then definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.